which is mabati. Na wala sio mabati. Maandamano kahawa rokots. Hao maandamano. Watu wa hiyo nini ya terrorism turudishwe vika.
Ngatho cia mwanya mwiroreri wakwa ngakunyitwo geni kuma kahawa rockot no ririkane ira turari guku na gwi ciana imwe iraheirwo cash bill na aciari ao matirari nao nake Honorable Jerry Maina mheshimiwa women rep wa kuria Kirinyaga aratwikirira pay bill which ilikuwa 650-137 aroria a Kenya aria mena wendi mwega mangiteithiriria mahote gucanga kiria mundu enakio niguo ciana ici irutwo na mwena wakwa ndina muciari umwe uria mwana wake arihirwo all the bill ya 350 niguo mwana wake umena arauma umuthi ndenda twaranirie nake atwire uria araigwa thaa ici uhoro waku
mwega muno
ngwihoka wi thayo
ndina thayo fiu
ona uthio ni urona
ndi mukenu na ngoro ina thayo
ndurari na mwihoko ni ukuona mbia
ndurari na mwihoko ni nguona mbeca tondu mbeca icio turetite ni mbeca nyingi riu ni ndirarigaga kuria cingiuma no nake Ngai ri okaga ihinda riria riagirire
through mheshimiwa Gaceri niwe wa facilitate all the cash bill
niwe wa garamia maundu macio mothe
na hihi hau mbere-ini ni mwoyaine nake kana mwamenyanira guku
igoti-ini tutiwaine ndimuonagira TV-ini na hena hindi ndirokite guku igoti-ini ngimuonera kwa umbari na riu umuthi tuonana nake uthio guthio
riu mwana waku we mwena uriku
mwena wa kiria mwena wa Rang'ata
ni muiritu hihi araikarite cell ihinda rigana atia
aikarite cell ihinda ya wiki irathia wiki 3
na gukituika ni anyitwo ri niki ekaga na ariku
ari nyumba gwake aimite nduka akinyitwo na rina mwana mugongo
mwaneko
mwana ndinake
anyitwo atigire mwanako
atoro cell ya girigiri thero ri ni twathire ta tukioya mwana tukana riu mwana handu aticebeke kana gukana guku ri twe mwana ucio twinake
hihi muikaraga ko
tuikaraga mwana wa girigiri handu hetagwo teachers
girigiri ana ikuru
ya ino imwe
na arutaga wira uriku mwana uyu
ndarutaga wira arutaga rimwe kundu ona wibarua na agagaikara
no nyende ndagika imwe ucokerie a Kenya aria manyitanite through mheshimiwa Jerry Maina umacokerie ngatho
no njugire ni thengio muno ni gikeno kiu kia mwana wakwa uguo turathi kuonana nake no njugire tu ngatho nyingi muno tondu Ngai ekaga uria kwagiriire ngaciari Ngai amuturie matuku maingi na ndakanage gya kũrĩa na gĩa kũnyua na arĩa othe macangĩte mbeca cia gwĩkĩra hau rĩ ona mĩhuko yao rĩ ndikanagĩe marima baturio nĩ Ngai no njugire nĩ thengio mũno
na ndiũ kana wakiri nĩ akũririkania mũthenya ũrĩa merwo macoke nĩ akũririkania ũkaririkania mũirĩtu waku
nĩ anjĩra
tondũ arega gũka nĩ ekũnyitwo
nĩ nderwo
hau ũririkane mũno mũno
hau nĩ anjĩra
thengio mũno nĩ gwĩtĩkĩra kwaranĩria naniĩ ndĩrenda rĩu nyingĩre gũkũ thĩinĩ tũthiĩ bado kwĩna hiari ĩrathiĩ na mbere tumahe mohoro ria mahana thengio muno
ni kwagiriire muno ndauga murathimo
amen
asante
maandamano kahawa rokots hao maandamano watu wa hiyo nini ya terrorism turudishwe vika
Acha ndio kulifanyia hizo vitu naeta huku aje
wanaharibu kahawa mumeta Thika inyuothe mmetoka Thika
sisi tunatoka Thika
Kuna rudi nini kile kwa tena kile
hakuna fence ya mawe na watu wameambiwa fence ya 500,000 which is mabati Na wala sio mabati. Wanasema magari 65 milioni. Hapo kuna gari ilichomwa hata moja na ati gari za mamilioni na hakuna gari chomwa.
Ni kalialia.
Alafu sisi tuliamuka kawaida kwenda makazini. Kuamuka kawaida.
I'm informed that the matter that you have just closed the site, Yunus, council had just walked out. And I'm informed that the accused persons have actually been brought physically in court. Even though we have placed the matter aside, we will be proceeding with what we have intended to do to supply the Yes, yes. They have actually been brought physically to court.
Is he still outside here?
I have no idea. Reading like this.
If you can check for that, we dispense with the matter.
Yeah.
You can check if he's outside.
Okay, well, let me see.
Tuko na Mohamed Adams Ali. Uko hapo nyuma. Sasa usonge hapa mbele. Yunus Hassan Kuba. Yunus Hassan Ali Kalake.
Yeah, I've just been informed, yeah, but just been informed, they have been brought. Officer, there's a confirm hapo kwenye site already. Kuna watu wako site kuchini pale.
Happy Lona Sama.
Yeah, even as they are being brought, maybe I need to bring, because we know in this case once it's we will not have the time to come back here again. We will be supplying documents to council outside the court to ensure that we have signed the detailed checklist today, and then we will be asking for 14 days to complete supply of documents. The issue of bond, I don't know the direction that we are taking, whether the ruling can be today, so that we close off the matter now.
So some documents are ready for.
Yes, we'll be making copies right now to supply. We will ensure that it is captured in the prepared checklist, and council will be there to sign. And also the accused persons. So as once we have once we are out of here, we will not be able to come back again.
So tuko na Mohamed Adan Ali. Mohamed Adan Ali. Yunus Hassan Kuba. Ali Alaki Dakota. Dokata. Abdi Lower Summer. Mr. Othendo?
Yes, we will not be opposed to the 14 days that the prosecution has asked for the suppliers with the documents.
You're saying you're opposed or you're not opposed?
We are not opposed.
I've not read the report, sir. Maybe you could keep a ruling on the next mentioned it.
Yes, Your Honor. And also maybe that can perhaps permit me to put in small written submissions to support my client's case.
You may proceed.
I hope it was written when you written submissions for you when you look at the reports, Your Honor.
You are saying you want to put in submissions?
Yeah, brief. Since we've not yet read the reports.
So can we get a further mention date?
31st of July.
Convenient, Your Honor. Just a minute.
So can you explain to the accused persons? Mr. Mohammed, explain to them the next bit and then you tell them you are ruling on their phones during the next mention.
Yeah. Nasema utarudi next mission baada ya siku 4 2 weeks. 31 mwezi huu. Smart. Wale leo ikidi basala wana sana.
Will also be given documents which the prosecution will be relying on.
ورقة المسيرة أو قلب الحرية الاستعمال برأس المركز. المركز يوجد ورقة المسيرة نعم خفيفة ماذا.
We can deal with the next motion. Mr. Kamau, are you number 57? 57? Oh, sorry, that is where we are, Mr. Were. Mr. Were? Council Were. If it was Mr. Mashira's matter, we can proceed with this one of class 1 video and 15 others.
That much I believe I need to alert my colleagues to come and proceed. However, there was another matter, I do not know how it was done. This is Mohammed Ahmed Noor. Mohammed Ahmed Noor.
That's the what I was calling about, Mr. Wade.
Oh,
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, is that E05755?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, I've confirmed with my senior whom I was holding bid for. Your Honor, he told me that he'll join the court, though he's on another physical hearing, that maybe the court can give him at least 1 hour for him to appear before the court.
The issue that we are dealing with is that the accused person was to be supplied documents, and he has insisted that until his counsel is present is when he can receive the documents. We actually serve documents to accused persons, not counsel. So maybe we can deal with that issue because it's very easy. We are asking for 14 days to supply 2 pending statements before we can take hearing directions. Maybe if that can be resolved by counsel present, so that we do away with the matter.
Mr. Wade, can you give him another date? So that he can talk with the accused, because he was to be given documents. He says he needs his advocate to receive. And if he's not here physically, I don't know if he will still agree to take the documents.
Your Honor, at first the counsel talked of disclosure, which he said the protocol demanded that the accused be served in person. I don't know whether that's the correct position, because if it's any document, Your Honor, maybe the counsel may just resolve to serve us, so that the next mention we can just come to confirm if we have all the documents.
The documents are here physically, and the accused is not receiving. So I was saying maybe we can give you another date, so that either the advocate comes to receive on his behalf, or he talks with the accused to accept the documents, so that we deal with the matter of disclosure. We finalize and fix the matter for hearing.
And that's in order, Your Honor.
I think what's in order here, he's agreeing is we take another date.
Yes.
Yes.
So where is the accused?
Accused
Mohammed Ahmed Noor. We tell him we will give him another date when his advocate will be here. So next July, 31st of July.
Your Honor, we will be collecting the documents on behalf of the accused person. I don't know if we can collect them from the DPP side.
Let them last with the IO, or we meet on the 31st here in court.
Mr. Wade,
Yes, Your Honor.
I think you may have to pick the documents on the first, huh? Because they are
Okay.
with the IO. Just arrange for, you can talk with the accused maybe while he's in remand, for him to accept, or if one of you will be here, you can pick the documents.
Very well, Your Honor. That is on 31st, huh?
Yes.
Much obliged, Your Honor. Thank you.
Now, we can take a short break. Let us now proceed.
Morning, Lord.
Morning.
May I be placed on record as the lead counsel for this matter. My name is Hans. Sorry for being late. The matter is 074-2025. The quorum for the other councils shall remain as it was.
There was Miss Sangana who had indicated is asking for 7, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 13, 14, and 15.
We are acting together for the interest of all these patrons.
Can you proceed to start?
Now, before the state presents its version, we have been served with an affidavit to oppose bond dated the 14th July 2025. We have instructions to cross-examine the deponent of this affidavit in the following paragraphs. Paragraph 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And lastly, paragraph 19. So that
Repeat the paragraphs.
then on paragraph 4, paragraph 6, paragraph 8, paragraph 9,
Yes.
paragraph 10,
Yes.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 19. That is, the affidavit is dated 14th of July 2025. It is deponed by number 73545, Sergeant Kenneth K. Karanja.
Now we came ready to hear the application. As previously indicated by Mr. Mbiu Kamau, who requested for this date for hearing of application. Your Honor. Mr. Mbiu Kamau appearing for the accused persons did not indicate or give notice for cross-examination, Your Honor, of the deponent. Your Honor, we oppose to that practice, which is a practice, Your Honor, that requires a certain threshold for the court to grant. And in the circumstances, myself, Mr. Moy,
President,
Mr. Kiari, Mr. Kamau, and Ms. Wangoi, appearing for the state, we are opposed to that application. We request for 10 minutes to, and this is the reason that we did not have notice that that application was to be made. We therefore request for 10 minutes, Your Honor, to avail our materials for purposes of hearing of that application that has been made by the defense, to show the court that indeed the circumstances of this case do not guarantee a right to cross-examine, and it is within Your Honor our right to give the exemption circumstances under which this right, this in fact is not a right. This judicial discretion should not be exercised in that way. So we request for 10 minutes to avail the authorities here. We are ready for the hearing of the application, but are not for cross-examination.
You know, the question of who has upon this affidavit is not in dispute. We have no objection for 10 minutes for the state to come with whichever arsenal they want to bring. But save that I will ask the court to take judicial notice that today the JSC is fighting very hard to defend Kahawa locals. JSC has posted in its website to defend the credibility of the prosecution in these courts. And this has become as a national issue that this court must abide by the rules and conditions set by the Constitution. Your Honor, we urge you to protect these young people from the state that is interested to completely destroy them. It is their right to question the person who has sworn this affidavit.
Your Honor, is it in order for counsel to proceed and argue the merits of the application?
I've already responded. I've only taken judicial notice. And this is not the first time I've raised this issue before this court. That there is a total national hula baloo about how everybody is being brought to Kahawa locals. You want to stand firm and protect Kahawa locals so that it does not become a center of ridicule the whole country. To the effect that the CS for Interior and the JC must come to the defense of this court. You know, we can take 10 minutes, let them come with whatever they want to deliver. But we stand that we have confidence in the court, we have confidence in this court, but we are losing confidence in the manner prosecution is being handled in this court. That's all you have.
So just a time now.
It's like how past 11, 11:10, huh?
We can take a short break.
Most of it.
Much.
Good.